In the complex world of professional services, managing projects is rarely a standalone activity. It's intimately tied to sales, client relationships, resource allocation, time tracking, billing, and ultimately profitability. This is precisely where a platform like Scoro positions itself as an all-in-one business management solution. So, when considering Scoro, it's not just about what it does for project management in isolation, but rather its comprehensive roles and responsibilities in unifying various business functions. As a project management expert, I see Scoro not just as a tool, but as a digital ecosystem designed to bring order and efficiency to professional service firms. Its roles and responsibilities extend far beyond simple task tracking. They encompass the entire quote-to-cash lifecycle of a project. Let's break down the key roles and responsibilities that Scoro takes on for a business. 1. The central project orchestrator. At its core, Scoro acts as the central hub for all project-related activities. Its responsibilities here are foundational. Project planning and setup. Scoro is responsible for providing the framework to define project scope, create detailed task lists, set milestones, and establish clear deadlines. It allows for the creation of project templates, which is a huge time saver for repetitive projects, ensuring consistency and best practices are followed every time. Task management and assignment. It takes on the role of ensuring tasks are clearly defined, assigned to the right team members, and prioritized. Team members can easily see their assigned tasks, their deadlines, and any associated files or comments. Progress tracking and visualization. Scoro's responsibility is to offer real-time visibility into project progress. Through features like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and customizable dashboards, it allows project managers and stakeholders to quickly assess status, identify bottlenecks, and see how work is moving towards completion. Collaboration Hub. It acts as a centralized communication platform for project teams. Instead of scattered emails or chat messages, all project-related discussions, file sharing, and feedback can be managed within the system, ensuring a single source of truth for all project information. 2. The financial watchdog for projects. One of Scoro's most significant responsibilities, particularly for professional services, is its deep integration with financial management. This sets it apart from many pure-play project management tools. Quoting and budgeting. Scoro takes on the responsibility of facilitating accurate quoting and robust budgeting. It allows businesses to create professional proposals, estimate project costs based on planned hours and rates, including role-based pricing, and compare initial estimates against actual expenditures. This is crucial for winning profitable projects and setting realistic client expectations. Time tracking and cost management. It's responsible for meticulous time tracking, both billable and non-billable hours, directly linked to specific tasks and projects. It also tracks all project-related expenses and purchase orders. This granular cost management is vital for understanding true project profitability. Automated invoicing and billing. A major responsibility is streamlining the billing process. Scoro automates invoicing, allowing businesses to generate invoices based on time-tracked, fixed fees, milestones, or recurring retainers. It can send automated reminders, reducing the time spent chasing payments and improving cash flow. Profitability analysis. Scoro's ultimate financial responsibility is to provide real-time insights into project, client, and service profitability. It helps identify which projects are making money and which are eating into margins, enabling data-driven decisions on pricing, resource allocation, and future project selection. 3. The resource optimizer. Efficient resource allocation is a cornerstone of successful project delivery, and Scoro takes on a critical role here. Resource planning and forecasting. Scoro is responsible for providing a clear, real-time overview of team availability, workloads, and capacity. This helps prevent overbooking, identify potential resource shortages, and make proactive decisions about hiring, outsourcing, or rescheduling. Workload management. It helps project managers distribute tasks effectively, ensuring workloads are balanced across the team, preventing burnout for some while others are underutilized. Skill-based allocation. Scoro's ability to define roles and skills allows for smarter resource allocation, ensuring that the right person with the right expertise is assigned to the right task. 4. The Client Relationship Manager, CRM. While not a standalone CRM in the vein of a Salesforce, Scoro integrates CRM functionalities, bridging the gap between sales and project delivery. Client Information Hub. It's responsible for centralizing client contact details, communication history, past projects, quotes, and invoices, providing a 360-degree view of each client relationship. Sales Pipeline Tracking. Scoro can track sales opportunities from lead to closed deal, ensuring continuity from the initial client interaction to project execution. Client Communication and Portal. It facilitates structured communication with clients, and in some setups, can offer a client portal for sharing project progress, invoices, and relevant documents securely. 5. The Business Insight Provider. Finally, Scoro plays the crucial role of an intelligent reporting and analytics engine for the entire business. Real-time dashboards. It's responsible for consolidating key performance indicators, KPIs, and actionable data into customizable dashboards, allowing different roles, management, sales, project managers, to see the metrics most relevant to them. Customizable reporting. Scoro's responsibility extends to generating detailed reports on project performance, resource utilization, financial health, sales pipeline, and more. This moves businesses away from manual data compilation in spreadsheets, ensuring data is always up to date and accurate. Decision support. By providing a comprehensive, unified view of business operations, Scoro empowers management to make informed, strategic decisions about growth, profitability, and operational efficiency.